Right, not really planned, not really planned, but visiting something that goes on the YouTubes. So I don't think he's expecting me just yet a minute. Right then. What do you think he's going to say? What bloody hell are you doing here? I never invited you. I've been spotted. I've been spotted. Chickens. Yeah? We got one at home. Could you tell me where this radio cruncher lives? Does Radio Cruncher live here?
No, I haven't got a clue who he is. How you doing, mate?
How's it going?
Yeah, that's your bad. Can't we?
Thought I'd do a vlog for YouTube. Yes, hello. What?
That's Coco.
Hello, Coco. Hello, Coco.
And that's Maddie.
Hey, you're on YouTube now, fellas. Hello.
Right, very good afternoon to you there, Don. Wasn't on the net this morning, but as soon as you said your call, I knew it was you. Absolutely blasting in here. We've got we're just set up in the field at the back of mine, Don. Got the little elk beam up. Actually, we're beaming towards France at the moment, so you're off the side of the beam, but then you're so close, you're virtually in the next field to me. So. There you go, Don. Made contact on 2 meters SSB. Back to you, G0RQL from M1GRA.
M1GRA, G0RQL, yeah, good afternoon to you both. 59, mate, no problem up here. I don't know where I was just looking. I turned the beam round actually looking for Exmoor because there was a guy a Parks on the Air on Exmoor, and I was having my dinner and I missed him, didn't I? And he's got FM and SSB on there, and I thought, I wonder if he's on SSB. And of course I turned the beam round, and I'm listening there on 300, and of course Don called, and I thought, oh, I wonder if he's out there with the other guy. Yeah, got all my hopes up, mate, and cut me down there. Anyway, yeah, lovely day, mate, isn't it? Yeah, so I take it you're at the bottom of your garden there. You don't need to try and portable there, Graham. Go ahead.
Yeah, we're just in the field at the bottom of mine there, Don. Just set up portable, and in fact we've just worked Mark over on Winsford Hill, Parks on the Air. We worked him. We picked him up on, I think it's 145-500, and then we QSY'd down to this frequency actually. So he may still be monitoring, but I think it was G0 India Alpha X-ray.
M0.
Oh, Mike 0 India Alpha X-ray. So yeah, we had a call on 2 meters FM, and we QSY'd down to SSB, which was quite nice. I have worked quite a lot of SSB in the past with this out on the old RSGB activity days back in my previous club, but I don't think they're that switched on for it up here, so I've not really done any since. But Dom came up today, he's very keen on SOTA and HEMA. And for info there, Don, if you're back tomorrow, we're going to be going up on Brent Tour tomorrow to activate that as a HEMA. You know more about all this HEMA and SOTA stuff than I do, I know, and I know you work quite a lot of them, Don, so there you go, that's maybe one to get in your logbook. So back to you, G0RQL from M1GRA.
Yeah, okay then, no Graham and Dom. Yeah, no problem, mate. Yeah, if you're up on Brent Tour, I'll certainly be here. I've got to pop out just after lunch. Aber auf 1 Kilo.
Ja, vielen Dank, dein Deutsch ist viel besser als mein Niederländisch. Ich versuche jetzt etwas zu lernen. So, hartelijk dank voor het pulso en tot de volgende keer. 74 en 88, alles Gute.
Ja, oké, Petra, dankjewel. 7388. Tot een volgende keer. Bye bye Petra.
Bedankt, bye bye. QZ Delta Lima 5 Papa India.
Fading out. A Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha portable.
Oscar Sierra Station, come again.
You jumped right on the top of me, didn't you, just now? Little monkey.
The X-ray Alpha Station, please stand by for a moment. Now I'm listening only for Oscar Sierra 8. Please come again.
Trying to do a bit of HF. Got a German station. A few attempts. And then people keep talking over crunchy.
Well, you managed to get in, didn't you?
I have the magic touch.
A lot of QSB is fading in and out, isn't it? Just gotta wait till it lifts and then jump in quick.
We'll try again for a bit and we'll try see what else there is out there. A lot of Italians calling CQDX. If that's what you're into, but if you're rubber stamping, is it worth it? Oh well, we shall see.
Ja, du sprichst hervorragend Deutsch. Vielen Dank und ich freue mich auch immer, dich zu hören. Ich wünsche dir einen schönen Abend und bleib gesund. Alles Gute. 73, 88. Bye bye. Now please to X-ray Alpha Station. Come again. Fabio, grazie mille. Italia Frontiero, Oscar X-ray Alpha, grazie mille. Il tuo rapporto 59,
So for the benefit of the video, let's have a look at what I'm using. End fed halfway from M0CVO antennas. Look him up on Twitter. It goes to a ballon box here. I'm using it with a tuner anyway, and you've got a radio going in that way, on that way, underneath me, and over that way. I've used this in my back garden with a vertical, but we're using a sloper. 9 metre antenna.
Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha.
Buonasera, Italy Kilo Zero, Quebec Delta Mike, grazie
Italians.
mille, arrivi molto bene, il tuo rapporto 5
Italian, they've only 10,000 kilowatt, they spent being there, mate. Took myself.
Romeo Alpha Cruisere. Sono circa 40 km da Stoccarda, la città si chiama Herrenberg, come hotel Eco Romeo Eco November, Bravo Eco Romeo Golf. È stato un grande piacere parlare con te per la prima volta oggi Luigi e spero di risentirti presto. 7388 e buona serata, ciao.
Perfetto Petra, grazie. 5020 Alfa per Lincoln. Grazie Petra, grazie dell'info.
Spero di risentirti presto, buona serata, 7388 e un abbraccio, ciao. Delta Lima 5 Papa India Alpha.
Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha portable.
Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha, thank you very much. Your signal report 5 and 6 at the moment, 556, and the name is Petra. Yourself?
QSL, Petra. Yeah, you're also, well, you're 5'9", QSB, a lot of QSB today on the channel. Name this way is Graham, as in Golf Romeo Alpha, Hotel Alpha Mike, and we're in southwest England, actually sat out in a field at the moment. Roger?
Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha, this is Delta Lima 5 for Papa India Alpha. A deep QSB here, your signal between 2 and 5 and 7, Graham. I don't know if you can copy me, over.
Yeah, Petra, I do copy you. As you say, it is QSB. You're fading from nothing up to about an S9, but yeah, no problem at all. Back to you from Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha.
Mike 1 Golf Romeo Alpha, Delta Lima 5 for Papa India Alpha, Graham. Name here is Pete, Papa Echo Tango Romeo Alpha. You are in the lock. I hope to hear you soon with better conditions. It's really, really difficult on my side today, Graham. All the best and hope to hear you soon. 7388. Bye-bye.
73 Petra, nice to make the contact, and again, hopefully when conditions are better we can speak again. Bye for now, 73. There you go. I wound the juice up though a bit, didn't I?
Oscar November
Slightly.
Romeo Oscar Lima, very good evening.
So there you have it, that was a bit of HF radio with Radio Crunchy, and I'll link his channel below, and I'll put a card up here somewhere. And yes, I do look a bit red, don't we, just a TV set. I've got sunburn on my face and down my arm and my neck. It hurts, but yeah, it was a great day out using the M0CVO Magitenna, and I will try and do a review on that at some point. I've only used it at home on the vertical, a couple of radios coming out, and I couldn't quite get it to tune on the bands I wanted. It'll do 20, it'll do 80, it'll do 10, couldn't get it on 40 metres, but it tuned most of the bands we picked. Got a station on 20, got one on 40, one on 18 megahertz, which I've never been on before, 17 metre band. We also use Crunch's elk antenna, which I had a local contact and a guy doing a POX on the air activation in Exmoor. I think that's 25 odd miles away. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this part of the video. I am now going to try and find something to cool this sunburn down. So I made the lucky mistake of not putting suntan lotion all over my arms. Oh well. See you on the next one.